You know, it's important to multitask. That phone's insured, right? Right? You know you went too far when you hit the ocean. Even better, you've reached Sprunky Land. And they even brought your phone. Aww. You okay, Pinky? I never knew Sprunkies laid eggs. Looks like the Easter Bunny's got competition.
Wow!
Aw, and look who's coming out of their shell. Happy birthday! Let's celebrate with a trip to the pool. Wait till you try the spin cycle. Uh-oh! Oh, they're all to pieces. Well, I guess we can scoop them up. Ooh, these blocks practically build themselves. Nothing beats a nice shower, except maybe a bubble bath. Now where's that loofah? Oh, here it is. Poor Alexis! Can't you hear him scream? What? Now you're washing behind your ears? It's okay. Pinky brought a glue gun. For once, it's okay to draw on the walls. Especially with all of our Sprunky friends. Remember, you scratch their back, they'll scratch yours. Or something like that. What? Are you wishing really hard or something? Ooh, should have wished for more TP. Don't worry, Sprunkies to the rescue. In fact, that's too much. We'll need something to hold it all. Ah, Vinaria, always willing to lend a hand. Or tendril. But she prefers to be on the green side. Now, why don't you relax and branch out? Good. Just veg and let her do her, well, business. Thirsty, Simon? Durple's got you covered. Of course, with juice, you only rent it. Ugh, Simon, you need to work on your aim. But first, you need a full body wash. Why don't we make you your own bath? And more importantly, away from ours. Look, your old pal Simon is here to help. But did anyone else expect Aqua? Either way, we really need to wash this guy. Ah, much better. Now get out of here, you silly scamp. You think we should call a plumber? Wait a minute. Is that chocolate? Hey, careful, you two. You might just break it. Well, why let a good button go to waste? Now this is really the best seat in the house. Ooh, what does this button do? And this one. And this one. Uh-oh, looks like this restroom's occupied. Look through the keyhole. It's Pinky. And it looks like she might be a while. The Sprunkies take, but they also give. This device will help you go on the go. Either way, it's time to fill her up. That's better, but I think it's disposal time. I hope you washed your hands, Pinky. Hey, it's Doughy the Dough Man. He's going for a ride. Round and round he goes, but he's not going anywhere.
Oh no!
Poor Doughy. Well, at least he's saved by the clog. What can we do? Aha! A Derple bath bomb. Nice and foamy, and it smells like grape. Okay, now let's get Doughy out of here.
Phew.
Oh, you naughty Sprunkies. You're on thin ice. Uh-oh, Doughy seems to be missing something. Don't worry, we can whip you up a new head. Take some old gum and put it to good use. Ah, now he's never looked better. Ooh, soap! Time to wash those dirty paws. Uh-oh, now that is some slippery soap. But soap can come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Here's an idea. We'll make some bars with a personal touch. Aw, all our Sprunky friends have mini-me's. And they'll be even smaller after a quick wash. A snake and eggs? She ordered steak and eggs. Candy? Well, it's better than reptiles. Oh no! And she never even got to lick it.
Oops.
Don't worry, Sky's got a lollipop for you. And he'll keep it safe and sound, too. Don't worry, he doesn't have a tongue. We should get Simon a litter box. This seat is a little too big for him. Besides, he can't even reach to flush. And guess who gets stuck with cleaning duties? Come on, might as well start with the orange. Don't worry, Sky. Derple's got your back. You too, Simon. You started this mess. Simon and Ratty just want to sit back and relax. If only they picked a better place to do it.
Uh-oh.
Well, they've never been closer, I guess. Okay, Sprunkies, we're gonna need all your help. Roll it up with the power of the rainbow. Soon, you'll have cool new slime. And just look what it can do. Add to the seat. Cleanup has never been easier. Keep it close. It looks like you'll need it real soon. Our Sprunky friends are having a day out. And look, it's our new pal, Doughy the Dough Man. Uh-oh, it looks like Simon can't catch up. Guess you'll have the first playdate with Doughy. Aren't you lucky? Looks like Pinky and Oren want to go on an adventure. But everyone says they're too little. Here, this should help. Aw, they grow up so fast. Still, watch out for that crocodile. Don't worry, a helicopter will fly Pinky to safety. Oren, stay where you are for now. What we really need is to sedate the croc. See, he's not such a bad guy after all. Besides, Pinky's always ready to help. This'll cheer you up. A day at the beach. Whoops, should have brought your water wings or a yacht. Uh-oh, don't worry, Pinky. We're going fishing. So, anyone in the mood for shark fin soup? Oh, Pinky's gotta be in here somewhere. Look, I think we just found her. And look what else we found. A key. Better keep this somewhere safe. Hey, look out for that snake. Don't worry, this'll suck the poison right out. We can put all that venom to better use. Throw in some scorpion while we're at it. And cockroach. They'll outlive us all. Okay, you've picked your poison. Now let's try it out. Ooh, it's a tree. An apple tree. A poisoned apple tree? They seem safe, but look, a key. Not in the mood for apples, you two? Well, who wants dessert? Hey, I ordered the baked Alaska. At least something's getting baked, I guess. Don't worry, Pinky and Oren are freelance firefighters. It's easy to take the heat when you're this cool. And you've earned the next key. You're on a roll. Walking is fun and all, but let's try the train. There's onboard dining, but you're the main course. Great idea. Let's grab some balloons. That should cheer up Pianosaurus. Yeah, you got a key and not eaten. Well, up and away with your beautiful balloon. Uh-oh, looks like we're playing Whack-A-Monster. But remember, they're not all so bad. Some of them really need our help. Well, is there a dentist in the house? Either way, a good brush is a good way to start. Another key, and we did this pro bono. Come on, girls, it's time to run through the maze. You found an end, but you wish you didn't. Maybe you'll have better luck, Oren. Oh, look, an egg. Well, hope you like omelets. Either way, there's something inside. It's Pinky, but a magician never reveals her tricks. Now let's see what's behind door number 1. Hey, it's called a privy because it's private. Ooh, number 2's the bomb, literally. The third one's locked. Oh, if we only collected a bunch of keys. Oh, wait, we did! And now it's a super key. Ooh, I hope it works. And look, it does! Simon, we found you! That wraps things up. Pretty soon, everything will be back to normal. You all had a big day. Let's head back home. These Sprunkies are gonna sleep good tonight.